Model, 1995 Toyota Hiace Diesel Full Camper Convertible MOTD ready for summer. Body, white, camper. Mileage, 109,052. MOT, the 7th of July 2025. Engine, 2446 CCR6 SMANTP. Transmission, 5-speed manual, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. The gearbox and transmission are in good condition and it pulls well in all gears. No lights on the dash. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. This camper comes fully packed in the rear with every amenity you may need. From the kitchen sink to the bed, it really does have it all. This camper would make a great home away from home and would be wonderful for your next trip across Europe or even to the English coast. Features: 2 keys, wind-up windows, bed, sink, hob. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.